Wagwani friends from Tobago, Christmas they reaching Fat Meadow with a buffet.
Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So I had my last exam yesterday earlier. I am finally finished term 3. I have 2 more terms to go, so I'm just relaxing today because from tomorrow is back to more work. I have my thesis to do and I need to submit something to my supervisor at least by the end of this week. So yeah, so today is my little chill day. Right now I'm catching up on some YouTube videos that I wasn't really able to like look at during the semester. So I'll look at like some here and there, but I like getting to catch up on like the bulk of it. So yeah, later on today I'm supposed to be braiding mommy's hair. Right now I'm supposed to be stripping hair actually. I'm supposed to be feathering hair, but I'm not. I need to go do that so that it will be less time when it comes to braiding her hair. So I'm just here checking out some YouTube videos, catching up with everybody, seeing what is going on their side of Vlogmas. And yeah, just taking a little break before I start back on the grind from tomorrow. I'm just here chillaxing. Just finished drinking some soups, chilling with sun and shine. Yes, that's actually the name of 2 things. Let me show you them. It's my brother's 2 birdies. Sun and shine, where's the scene? They're camera shy. They're moving away from the camera. Sun is the boy and shine is the girl. Shine is the one who now jump up. Sun is the one like right there. They're like literally shaking. Sun and Shine, say hi to the vlog. Them have no time with me. Oh my goodness, they're like literally running from the camera. Okay, Sun and Shine doesn't want to be on camera. Apparently those birds are bougie, just like my brother. They took after him. So yeah, just now gonna stop mommy here. And I'm gonna come back to y'all.
You lied to me and everybody else in there. Calm down, Andre. I did not lie. You're gonna sit there and tell me that Pop gave you his blessing on this crazy ass plan.